Good morning, everyone. Morning. Ladies and gentlemen, before we start, we'd like to introduce ourselves. My name is Lab, this is Yasa, and Kopi Asala. First of all, I'd like to start with a story. April 1926, North Queensland, Australia, a 16-year-old boy named Philip McLennan spotted a large bird on his property and decided to be brave. He grabs a club intending to scare it off, but the bird doesn't run. Instead, it charges, leaps into the air and strikes with a massive tacker like a claw. That moment became the first legally record instead of a human being taken down by a cassowary. Today, our team will talk about cassowary. I know this is a sad story, but it's a fact. In the ancient rainforests of northern Australia, a living dinosaur making a last stand. The magnificently strange creature is known as the world's most dangerous birds, the mysterious cassowary. With its bright blue neck, helmet like a casket, and powerful legs, the cassowary looked like something from a prehistoric age, although it cannot fly. It can run speed up to 50 kilometers per hour and deliver powerful kicks with its sharp claws. Today, we will talk about the cassowary, appearance, habitat, diet, and the important role of plains in maintaining the health of the rainforest ecosystems. Around 10 years ago, it was estimated that there were about 4,000 cassowary living in Australia. Today, the scientists believe that the population has declined to approximately 3,500 individuals. Habitat loss, vehicle strike, talk attack, and climate change. The cassowary is listed as endangered in Queensland. Now I would like to hand over to my friend here, Yasa.
Thank you, Love, for the introduction. So, everyone, after we listen the general information of cassowary, of this endangered species, now I would like to deliver some information about the detailing information of the cassowary. So now let's take a look at the first information. So as you can see on the slides, there are three different species of the cassowary. The first one is the southern cassowary. It is the largest and most well-known of this species, and it is mainly found in the northeastern of Australia. The second one is the northern cassowary. They mostly live in northeastern of Papua New Guinea. And the last one is the dwarf cassowary. Like its name, dwarf, it means short and small. And from all the three species, they live in different ecosystems. The first two species, southern and northern, lives in subtropical rainforest areas, while the dwarf cassowary lives in a higher elevation, specifically in mountainous forests. So that's all about the types of the cassowary. Now let's move into the next information. Yep. Next is the three interesting facts about the cassowary. First, claws. The cassowaries have a very powerful claws, and their middle claw can grow up to 12 centimeters and is used for defense against predators. And second, the the cassowaries actually are an excellent swimmer and fast runner. They can run fast at speed up to 50 km per hour, and they can also swim across the river and coastal waters. And third, unlike many other birds, the male cassowaries incubates the eggs and raises the chicks. So after the female cassowaries lays the eggs, the male cassowaries protects them, keeps them warm, and take care of the young chicks for several months. Because of this unique characters, make cassowary as one of the most fascinating birds in the world. Okay, so let's move into the following information. What is cassowary diet? So basically, the cassowaries are frugivores. Frugivores means they mostly eat fruits, rainforest fruits, and fruits makes up the largest part of their diet. And as you can see this picture, this is not fruits, but this is the poop of the cassowary. Why I put it there? Because the poop itself helps small plants to grow and support the biodiversity of rainforest areas. So some scientists also said that the poop of cassowary as a natural fertilizer. Because of this important role of the cassowary into the nature, cassowary also thought like as the gardeners of the rainforest areas. So that's all about the detailed information about the cassowary. Now we would like to explain the habitat of the cassowary, which will explain by my teammates as well.
Okay, thank you, Yasa. So now I'm going to talk about where is the cassowary mostly found. If you look at the current distribution map, we can see a drastic difference between historical range and their verified range. Historically, the presence was much more widespread across Southeast Asia and surrounding islands. Today, the verified territory is restricted to a specific pocketed conservation area, primarily PNG. Second is Aru Island, which is part of the Indonesia, Seram Island, and the wet tropics of Queensland, Australia. Okay, next, let's explore where they live. So, the southern cassowary depends heavily on three specific coastal and inland ecosystem. The first one is dense tropical rainforest, where they find food under high canopy. And third, paperbark swamps, which make up their vital wetland habitats. And last is mangrove forest, which is along the coastal region. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the threat to cassowary. Unfortunately, these birds face three major human-driven threats. The first one, vehicle strikes. It's related to speeding cars on road cutting through the rainforest are highly lethal. And second is dog attacks. Domestic and stray dogs frequently attack cassowaries, which is why local campaigns urge owner to keep the dogs contained. And last, feral pigs. These invasive pests destroy environment like raid nest and eat their cassowary eggs and also steal their foods, which is cassowary rely on to survive. Okay, now I'm going to hand it over to my friend Hopi to talk about measures for protection. Thank you.
Thank you, Asala. We move to measure for protections. The first one is Cassowary crossing site. Install warning site on roads pass through. Cassowary habitat to alert drives to slow down and prevent vehicle collisions. The second, establishing Protect National Park. Setting aside and secured dedicated natural forest and to provide a safe environment. Free from human encroachment. The third, public awareness campaign. Educating and engaging local community and general public on the importance of conserving this endangered species. This Happy World Cassowary. This special environment Awareness Day is celebrated announced on September 26 to promote the protection, conservation of Cassowary globally. Move to. In conclusion, the Cassowary is one of Australia's most unique and important animals, despite its reputation as the world's most dangerous bird. It plays a vital role in spreading seeds and maintaining healthy rainforest ecosystems. However, its population is declining due to human activity and environment. Threats by protecting its habitats and raising awareness, we can help ensure that this remarkable living dinosaur survives for future generations. Thank you for your attention. Together, we can create a sustainable future for all thriving beings. Thank you.